Shelley here from ShelleyGolfCaldera.com. So today I'm talking about opportunity. You know, we've been going through so much with COVID, and are you trapped in the rhetoric? Or are you using this time to plant your seeds and get your feet moving? You know, for so long we've been trapped in a world that doesn't work. Opportunities aren't always forthcoming for everyone. We have a real opportunity as we go beyond COVID to create the world that we want to see. But the only way that we're going to be able to do that is by all of us visualizing and creating in our own personal worlds. So there are two people at the moment, two sides of the coin. You've got the side that's completely lost in all the words and all the confusion, and then you've got those that are just completely ignoring that and just going for what they want. Have you noticed that? You've got companies that are making money and you've got companies that aren't. Big companies, established companies. So why is that? Well, it really comes down to the opportunities that you use for yourself, for your business, for your ideas, for your projects, whatever they may be. But you must do something. You must start something. So on this channel, which is a new channel, I'll be talking a lot more about how we can be using this time to launch ourselves and to put our right foot forward and to go for what we want. So if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and keep in touch, keep tuned, and I'll be back for another little idea of what we should be doing. Bye for now.